Hi everyone, this is Waki. So in this video, I want to show you about our mini manager 18 by 18. And right now you can see we have the setup and we start from the source. You can see here we have three sources, and first one is the player, second one is the 1080p release presenter, and third one is the 4K release presenter. And the last one is our control PC, and you can see on that one is our modular matrix switcher, and this is the front panel. And for the outputs, right now we have 12 monitors here. So we start from the control PC, and right now you can see we can use this. We can use the web GUI to control. We can focus on the control PC, and we can have a close view. So this one is right now we can use the IP address to control this 18 by 18 modular matrix switcher, and the IP address is 192.168.0.80. So after we log in, and we can do the we will have the switch manager interface. So basically with this one we can find all the matrix switcher which in the same IP address. So we can find all the matrix switcher here, and we can rename. And also we can just open new window, we can do switching here. Okay, so also over here we also got a switch interface. So for the switch interface is going to be switch the specific matrix switcher. We can do like we can select the input source here, and we can switch to the outputs. The outputs is this area. And for these 5 buttons are the shortcut. This one is the switch 0 to 1 and disconnect, switch 1 to 1, and this one is disconnect 1 to 1, and this one is save and record the presets. Total we can support 40 presets, and this one is for the preset management. So we can see here we can support 40 presets, and we can save and load. And this one is for the caption. So caption we can rename the sender name, also the input and output name. And this one is the setup interface. So for setup interface we can change the IP address of the matrix switcher, because our matrix switcher can support 2 IP controller. So basically we will have like 2 IP address. The first one is the 192.168.0.80, and second one is IP2 is 192.168.1.80. So this one is about the setup and logout, and also we can upgrade from here. Except this one, and for our mini manager also can support the TV wall function. So we can set up the TV wall function from this one. So here we can see we have the X and Y, so we can add a TV wall. Like right now we have a 12 monitors, so we can set up 3 by 4, 3 and 4. So here we just click add, so we can see it's going to be a 3 by 4 video wall here, and then we just drag the outputs. We drag the outputs to this TV wall. Up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can check out on this 3 by 4 video wall, and we can just switch to the input one, the player, switch to all the outputs, and source 2, source 3, and source 4. Basically you can see it supports the seamless switching, and if you want to do the switch from the switch to the player, and we just select the player and we move to this TV wall, and we just click the video wall. Also same as the source 2, So we also still can add more video here, and we still can add another one. But for the outputs, we cannot repeat because this one we already have those 12 outputs in this 3x4 video wall. Okay, thank you so much if you like this video.